Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy and delicious pineapple chicken recipe. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching.
Mommy.
So guys, to start this recipe I already have my chicken, boneless, skinless chicken. For this you can use leg or thigh. I'm gonna go ahead and season this with a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna go in with some white pepper, or you can use a Chinese seasoning salt, and I do have a recipe for that on my channel. I'm going to go in with white vinegar or rice wine vinegar. Some light soy sauce goes in next.
What?
In goes 1 egg.
Look at the egg. Where's the egg?
And that is a double yolk egg, guys. It's been a while since I've seen one of those. And we're gonna go in with some cornstarch. Okay, mommy give you an egg just now, okay?
What egg?
So we're gonna give this a good mix. Okay, once mixed in, just set this aside and allow it to marinate for 15 minutes. Okay, so let's make the dry mixture for this pineapple chicken. So I'm gonna go into my bowl with some flour and cornstarch. Mix the cornstarch and the flour together. Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take our pieces of chicken, dip it into that cornstarch and flour mixture, shake off any excess, and then place it on a plate. I'm going to continue doing this and setting it aside. So just drop in your pieces of chicken, and your oil, you want it to be on a medium high. If you're using chicken breast, they're going to fry up really quickly. Chicken thighs will take a little bit longer. So these are going to fry here for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown and crisp. So this is getting a really nice golden color. Just need the other side to get the same color, and then this will be finished. It is actually taking a little longer than I anticipated. So about 5 minutes, because we need to really get that color on there. Okay guys, this is finished. I'm going to take this out and place it on a wire rack so that it maintains that crunch. Don't place it on anything flat because it can sweat and cause it to get very soft. Okay guys, now it's time to make the sauce for this dish. So here I'm going to add in some pineapple juice. You can also use orange juice if you wanted to make an orange version. In goes some mirin or some sweet rice wine, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to go in with some sweet chili sauce, that sweet chili dipping sauce. Now I'm going to go in with some cornstarch, and we want to mix that in until the cornstarch dissolves. I'm going to go in with some honey just to add some extra sweetness. Give this a mix, and once mixed in, set it aside. So we're going to put up our wok on a medium heat, and to that wok, go in with some oil. Before the wok gets screaming hot, I'm going to go in with some garlic and some ginger and allow that to soften. You don't want to burn the garlic, you don't want to burn the ginger. You just want it to get really fragrant.
Oh, we need to cook this. Why is it?
Once fragrant, add in your sweet peppers and onions, and we're going to saute this. I want my vegetables to be tender, crisp, so I'm not gonna cook it too much. Just about a minute. Now I'm gonna go in with my pineapples. You can use fresh pineapples or you can use canned pineapples for this. And give it a mix.
And next, we mix the
Yes, Papa. I'm gonna season my veggies with a little bit of salt.
Season the veggies.
Toss.
Then, could I be back? Today, you come back?
Now I'm gonna drop in my chicken.
Today?
Add in some chopped scallions or sife as we say in Trinidad. And then you're going to give your sauce a mix to make sure that nothing settles at the bottom and pour it over your chicken. Now you're going to mix to coat the sauce on that chicken. It's gonna start to thicken. It's gonna look very velvety. I'm just going to put some red pepper flakes on this. You don't have to if you don't want to. And give that a final mix. And then this is ready to be served. Okay. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for pineapple chicken. Yes, I threw it in a little extra veggies in there because this is just the way that I like it. Thank you all for requesting this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to switch up orange juice instead of pineapple to make an orange chicken. So if you all enjoyed today's recipe, comment down below. Let me know what you think if you make it. And please remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new and you like what you see. Also hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I post content weekly and more than one time for the week also. So I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Please stay safe and I will see you in my next video. Bye.